Rua de Ferreira de Amaral. There's the street right there. And little Jesus is Lord right at the beginning of this, where we're going to start filming. Vasco da Gama Park, named after the explorer. And we're going to walk directly down on this black and white tile and go down that way. Stay tuned. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua de Ferreira de Amaral. So this is the street that we're going to be walking down. We're going to be walking the other way, behind me. But this is where we're going to be coming from. Looks like there's a giant sporting center right here, straight to my right. And there's a Tapsiek down that way. And we're going to be walking down this way. So let's go check it all out. There's Grand Lisboa Casino right there to get some reference points to where we are. And a lot of times when I'm filming, I'm basically thinking about, you know, documenting the city, exactly what it looks like at this time. I imagine that this right here is probably going to look a lot like it is right now for quite some time. Parking garage. Okay. So there's Vasco da Gama Park. Giant statue right there. And then if you keep going, there's Gia Hill. I heard a story about this abandoned building right here. So that's Hotel Royal is this building right here where people are looking for hotels and things like that. That's an abandoned building. I heard somebody was telling me that what happened was they built that too high, and so they were never able. They didn't have the paperwork to finish it, so they had to leave it abandoned. That's what I heard. But now you can see all the stuff around it is the same height or more already. So. Black and white tiled stuff, Portuguese influence, sidewalks. So that's Vasco da Gama, that park right there. Lots of these trees everywhere. That's actually pretty good down there. It's a nice location. It's how do I describe that? That might be its own little video in itself sometime. Gia Hill Fortress. So these are kind of made for tourists so they can find stuff. Okay. Some beautiful buildings here. Huh. Studio City Water Park. Okay. Studio City is one of the casinos I didn't realize they had a water park. And I think this is going to be, let me see. I believe this is going to be a different street. This is called Rua de Enrique de Macedo. And then you got more cool stuff down that way and that way. So I don't think I want to film a new street, so I just keep on the street that we're on. So this is the one that we're on right now, and it goes right down, right by this park. There's some Royal. I guess we'll just finish it right here. Rua de Ferreira Amaral does go down that way, so. Anyways, a lot of times I don't want to film the whole street, I just want to get a little context. It's kind of interesting building right there. So that one looks really interesting. Imagine if you had a rooftop apartment or any of those apartments up there or this way. Any of those. It's cool. Okay, so let's finish this one right here. Chiquinha. Chiquinha.